Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your document in Chrome and signing in. This ensures full compatibility with browser text-to-speech. Once done, go to Tools, then Accessibility Settings, and turn on Screen Reader Support so Docs exposes text to the system TTS. Make sure your system or browser TTS engine is available. If not, install a lightweight Read Aloud extension. This immediate setup prepares Docs to respond to the spoken output commands you'll use next. Now select the text you want read aloud, or simply place your cursor at the start of a section. Selection gives you precise control. Next, activate your browser's Read Aloud tool or trigger the Screen Reader hotkey. The tool pulls text from Docs because you enabled accessibility. While it reads, adjust voice and speaking rate in the extension or your operating system settings so the cadence matches your listening preference. Also try paragraph selection to jump between sections. Finish by using the playback controls to pause, resume, skip forward, or reselect text for better clarity. This gives you fine control over pacing. If words sound wrong, switch the TTS voice or slow the rate to improve pronunciation and comprehension. If you hear nothing, make sure the browser has microphone and audio permissions, confirm system audio output is correct, and reload the document. Most issues resolve after restarting the tab or toggling screen reader support off and on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.